Hey, my name is John with Rainy Day Restoration. Today I wanted to take a minute and talk to you about how we can prepare our homes for water damage. Texas is a little bit schizophrenic with the way that we do our winters. Last winter it was like -2, or maybe it was a couple winters ago, and then the years before that it was like 15. So sometimes it gets really cold, sometimes it gets kind of cold, sometimes it doesn't get cold, who knows. But in Texas we need to be prepared for it all, because if we don't, then we're going to have some significant issues at our houses, like burst pipes, which is really where rainy day restoration comes into play. So one of the things that we can help you with is energy evaluations. So we have this kind of tool right here. It's a thermal camera. Okay, so if you see it right now, my face was like a bright yellow. That just tells you that I'm pretty hot, which we all know that. Just kidding. Anyways, so back on track. We can use this tool to go through your house and do some energy evaluations, find out what areas of your wall or your ceiling might be lacking in insulation and that might need a little bit extra tender love. When you get really, really cold weather, like we do in Texas, our houses aren't built for that necessarily. And so that can cause problems like burst pipes, where when we get to freezing and it stays in a sustained cold environment for a long period of time, like 2 or 3 days, less than 20 degrees, our pipes are going to freeze, they're going to expand, and if you've got the old copper pipes, they're likely going to burst, but you're not going to notice it until a few days later when things begin to thaw. Now, even with the PEX plumbing that is going into the newer houses, those can burst around joints and things like that, and so we want to make sure that our houses are insulated properly, and that's something that Rainy Day Services can help you with. Thanks so much for taking time to watch us. My name is John. Our company name is Rainy Day Restoration. Give us a call if you need our help.